Hello and welcome to the Bikes Entry. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Kawasaki Z650. Now, as you've probably already guessed, it's a 650cc. It's actually a parallel twin and these make just over 60 brake horsepower. So a very popular bike with riding schools, with new riders, also very popular with people looking for a lightweight weekend toy and very good on fuel. So also popular with people looking for a naked sports commuter. Being a 650cc, it can be restricted for A2 license holders, so if that's something that you're interested in, please let us know and we can have a conversation about that. This particular one's a 2021 bike. It's covered less than 1,000 miles from new and it's pretty much like a brand new motorbike that's just been run in, so I'll try and do it justice as we walk around. Starting at the front end then, obviously we've got brand new tyres. It's only done, well, it's not even done 1,000 miles. You've got twin discs on this which are wavy, which is kind of a signature thing for Kawasaki now. It looks pretty cool. It's ABS model, as you can see, and it's paired with Nissan brakes, so loads of stopping power. The bike's pretty light. It doesn't really need a great deal of stopping power, to be honest, but this is more than enough. It's got a good front end. You can see the fork guards on there. They're a standard. That just helps to protect the fork legs from some of the dirt and crap and gunk that you get on today's roads. It's got an exposed front end, as you can see. It's a proper naked bike, and these bikes do tend to benefit from a belly pan or something like that. So if you're interested in aftermarket options for protecting the exhaust, we can certainly look at that for you. Cosmetically, the bike's finished in a satin white two-tone, so it's white and black with these really cool looking decals. The bodywork is in immaculate condition, as you would expect for a bike of this age and mileage. It's in a clean, original condition. It's not been messed around with. Still got the original exhaust. Will be ULEZ compliant if you wanted to commute on it as well. You can see from the sticker on the swing arm that the bike is data tagged, and we have all the information regarding that, as well as the service manuals, owner's manuals, and all of the keys that came with the bike. It's got quite a low seat height. One of the reasons why it's so popular with riding schools. It's quite a comfy bike, I have to say. It's okay for pillions. It's got these rubberized footrests on it, so it tends to absorb some of the vibration you get from the parallel twin motor. It's a very, very nice bit of kit, this, I have to say. Very cool looking bike. Obviously, all of the nakeds now are called Zs. Previously, this would have been an ER6N, but Kawasaki have chosen to adopt Zs for all of the nakeds and Ninjas for all of the fared bikes. It's a little bit of useless trivia for you there. Again, on this side, very, very nice condition. As you can see, no bangs or scratches or scrapes or anything like that. It is as new. Things like chains, sprockets, brakes, tyres are all checked prior to delivery or collection. But on a bike of this sort of calibre, you wouldn't expect to come across any problems at all. Up to the cockpit then, we've got all the original keys. The bike does run on E5 or E10 fuel, though we would always recommend you go with the highest grade that you can. It's got a digital dash. Might look analog, but it's all actually digital. So you've got a gear position indicator here, which is a nice thing, even if you're a more experienced rider. You can see the mileage from new there is 772 miles. Got a fuel gauge, your speedo, and then obviously your clock, your temperatures on the left-hand side. Let's give her a start up so you can have a listen. Very cool sounding bike, very traditional sounding parallel twin. Lots of people change the exhaust on these. If that's something that you're interested in, we do offer free fitting on accessories purchased with the bike, so let us know and we can do you a quote. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. They come with free UK delivery as well. I believe this bike also is still covered by Kawasaki's warranty, so you could register that in your name and enjoy the rest of the warranty as a 21 plate. We offer finance and we offer part exchange as well. If those are things that you're interested in or you've got any general questions at all, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat, We've got all the social medias. You can come into the showroom and try the bike on for size, or give us a call for a chat. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.